So the next one is we are going to see the powers of 5. We know the value of I as root of minus 1 and I square as negative 1. This is how the complex number is defined, isn't it? So I is root of minus 1, I square is minus 1. To find I cube, what we will do is 3 is an odd number. So we will take the smallest even integer just nearer to 3. So I square into I. We will write it as I square into I. I square is negative 1. Negative 1 into I gives you the value minus I. So just by heart these values. I is root of minus 1, I square is minus 1 and I cube is minus I. To find I raised to 4, what we have to do is, 4 is an even number, isn't it? When we are getting an even number, just take the half of it. Half of 4 is 2. So we can rewrite it as I square, the whole square. What is I square? It's negative 1. Negative 1 square will give you the value 1. Okay, if I need to find I raised to 5, what should I do is, take the even number just below 5, which is 4. So I raised to 4 into I. Now we got an even power. What we will do again, take half of 4. Half of 4 is 2. So how we will rewrite I square, the whole square into I. I square, we know the value is negative 1. Negative 1 square is positive 1. So which gives you I. Okay, same way if I need to find I raised to 6, what we will do, 6 is an even number, take the half of it, it is 3. So I square, the whole cube. I square is negative 1, negative 1 the whole cube, which gives you the value negative 1 itself. Okay, suppose I need to find I raised to 272. It's an even integer. What we will do, I square raised to, take the half of it, as half of 272 is 136. Okay, so I square raised to 136. This is equal to I square is a negative 1. Negative 1 raised to 136. That is negative raised to an even number, which gives you the value 1. If it is I raised to 275, 275 is an odd number. How we will do? We will take the even number just near up to 275, which is 274 into I. Again, 274 is an even number. Half of 274 is I square raised to, half of 274 is 137. Okay, so we will rewrite I raised to 274 as I square raised to 137. I square is negative 1. Negative 1 raised to 137 into I is there. Here also I is there at this side. Negative number raised to odd power will give you negative value. So minus 1 into I, which gives you the value here as minus I. This is how we are calculating the integral powers of I.